Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the 5 GHz radio in the router UI because 5 GHz offers higher throughput and less interference than 4 GHz. Once logged in, navigate to Wireless Settings and select the 5 GHz interface. Make sure the channel mode is set to Automatic initially. You should also create a unique SSID for 5 GHz so devices can choose intentionally, and set WPA2 or WPA3 security. Finally, save changes and reboot the router to apply the new 5 GHz configuration. Once 5 GHz is active, you optimize channel width and power to get reliable performance. Start by testing 20, 40, or 80 MHz widths. Wider widths increase speed but risk interference. Choose 80 MHz only when neighbors are sparse. Then pick a channel. Non-DFS channels like 3648 are simplest, but DFS channels can be clearer. Make sure your devices support them. Next, lower transmit power slightly if you see overlap with adjacent APs, and save each change so you can measure real-world improvements. You finish by connecting each device to the 5 GHz SSID and confirming link speeds in device Wi-Fi settings. Faster link rates indicate success. If a device won't see 5 GHz, make sure its Wi-Fi adapter supports 5 GHz and update drivers or firmware. Sometimes toggling airplane mode or forgetting and rejoining the network fixes it. If many devices fail, reset the router's wireless settings, reapply 5 GHz parameters, or perform a factory reset only after backing up configs to recover a clean baseline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.